Hi, myself Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the laws of Boolean algebra. What is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is used to analyze and simplify the digital logic circuits. It uses only the binary numbers, that is 0 and 1. It is also called as binary algebra or logical algebra. Boolean algebra was invented by George Boole in 1854. The laws of Boolean algebra are commutative law, associative law, distributive law, De Morgan's law, identity law, idempotent law, annulment law, complement law, absorption law, and double negation law. Commutative law. Commutative law says that you can swap numbers around and still get the same answer when you add or multiply. Commutative law for addition is a plus b equal to b plus a. This is the logic diagram for addition and this is the truth table for addition. Here we have two input a and b and four combinations of inputs, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And a plus b is the left hand side and b plus a is the right hand side of the law. Here we have to add this two number, that is 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1. In the same way for the right hand side, b plus a, that is 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 1 plus 0 equal to 1 and 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 1. So we get a plus b equal to b plus a. So both the answers are same. And commutative law for multiplication is a dot b equal to b dot a. This is the logic diagram for the multiplication law and this is the truth table. In the same way you can add this two you can multiply this two number, that is a dot b and b dot a. A dot b equal to 0, that is 0 dot 0 equal to 0, 0 dot 1 equal to 0, 1 dot 0 equal to 0, 1 dot 1 equal to 1. And b dot a equal to 0 dot 0 equal to 0, 1 dot 0 equal to 0, 0 dot 1 equal to 0, 1 dot 1 equal to 1. Here also a dot b equal to b dot a, both are same. Next one is associative law. Associative law for addition is a plus open bracket b plus c close bracket equal to open bracket a plus b close bracket plus c. Associative law for multiplication is a open bracket bc close bracket equal to open bracket ab close bracket c. This is the logic diagram for the addition and this is the logic diagram for the multiplication. For addition we are using AND gate and for multiplication we are using AND gate. This is the truth table for the addition law and this is the truth table for the multiplication law. Here we have three inputs, so that we have 8 combinations of inputs. So here we calculate the b plus c and a plus b plus c and a plus b, a plus b plus c. So we get the a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. The values for this two are same. The same way we can apply this for multiplication. Here is the truth table for multiplication. Distributive law. This law is composed of two operator and or. First law is a open brace b plus c equal to ab plus ac. Second law is a plus open brace bc close brace equal to open brace a plus b close bracket open bracket a plus z close bracket. This is the circuit diagram for the first law, that is and this is the circuit diagram for the second law. This is the truth table for the first law and this is the truth table for the second law. In first law we have three inputs, here 8 combinations of inputs. Here first we have to calculate the b plus a, which is in the bracket, and a dot b plus c, and we have to calculate ab and ac and AB plus AC. So we get the same answer for the left hand operator A into B plus C and equal to the right hand operator AB plus AC. The same way we can calculate for the second law, that is BC A plus BC, A plus B, A plus C, and last A plus B into A plus C. So we get the same answer for A plus BC equal to A plus B into A plus C. Next one is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's first theorem proves that when two or more input variable are and negated, they are equivalent to the R of the complement of the individual variable. The law is A dot B equal to A dash plus B dash. Here is the truth table. We have two input A and B. A dot B, by calculating A dot B, after that we are calculating A dot B, the whole dash. Here A dash, B dash, A dash plus B dash. So A dash is inverter of A and B dash is the inversion of B. And this is the logic circuit for the De Morgan's law. And De Morgan's second theorem or law. De Morgan's second theorem proves that when two inputs variable are odd and negative, they are equivalent to the AND of the complement of the individual variable. Thus, the equivalent of the NAR function and is the negative AND function, proving that A plus B the whole dash equal to A dash dot B dash. Here is the truth table and this is the logic diagram for the De Morgan's second law. Next one is identity law. A term odd with a 0 or AND with a 1 will always equal to that term. That is A plus 0 equal to A or A dot 1 equal to A. And this is the logic circuit for a dot operator and this is the logic circuit for plus operator. This is the truth table for dot operator and this is the truth table for plus operator. That is A plus 0 equal to 0, A plus 1 plus 0 equal to 1. Next one is idempotent law. An input that is AND or odd with itself is equal to that input. That is A plus A equal to A dot A equal to A. Here is the logic diagram for dot operator and here is the logic diagram for the plus operator. And this is the result for dot operator and this is the result for the plus operator. Annulment law. A term AND with a 0 equal to 0 or odd with a 1 will equal to 1. That is A dot 0 equal to 0. A variable AND with 0 is always equal to 0. A plus 1 equal to 1. A variable odd with 1 is equal to 1. And here is the logic diagram for dot operator, that is A dot 0 equal to 0 and this is the logic circuit for the plus operator, that is A plus 1 equal to 1. And this is the truth table for logical dot operator and this is the truth table for the plus operator. Next one is complement law. A term AND with its complement equal to 0 or and a term odd with its complement is equal to 1. That is A dot A dash equal to 0 and A plus A dash equal to 1. And this is the logic circuit for dot operator and this is the logic circuit for the plus operator. This is the truth table for dot operator and this is the truth table for plus operator. Absorption law. This law enables a reduction in a complicated expression to a simpler one by absorbing like terms. A plus A dot B equal to A. This is called as our absorption law. A into A plus B equal to A. This is called as AND absorption law. This is the logic diagram for the OR absorption law and this is the logic diagram for the AND absorption law. This is the truth table for OR absorption law. This is the truth table for AND absorption law. So we get the left hand operator, that is A plus A dot B values are 0, 0, 1, 1. This is equal to the value of A. And the same way the values of A into A plus B equal to 0, 0, 1, 1. This value is equal to the value of A. Next one is double negation law. A term that is inverted twice is equal to the original term. That is A dash dash equal to A. A double complement of a variable is always equal to the variable. So this is a logic diagram for the double negation law. We have two inverter. First inverter convert the A values to A dash, and again the A dash values are converted to the A double dash or A. Here we have all the laws and the formulas for each laws. This will be helpful for you to learn the laws of Boolean algebras. I hope this video will be helpful for you to learn about the laws of Boolean algebra. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.